Hi everyone. So many students ask me how to start reading, where they can start it, how not to give up on a book after the first few pages, what authors to read, what newspapers to read. Well, before I begin with what to read, let's start with how not to start reading. Number 1, do not start with any heavy duty subjects and authors. Most people, when they want to start reading, keep a list of big classics and philosophy that they have to read. Yes, you have to read them, no doubt, but not when you are struggling to get into the momentum of reading. Number 2, same goes for newspapers. When starting out reading on newspapers, do not start with ambitious newspapers like the Hindu. Hindu is a great newspaper, please do not get me wrong, but one needs to be ready for it. So what can you read? Number 1, start with fast-paced writers, thrillers, mysteries. You know, the whole thing about Khooni Kaun Tha will keep you hooked on. Some authors that fit the genre are Ken Follett, Dean Koontz, Archer, Grisham, Sheldon, Michael Crichton, Agatha Christie's, Conan Doyle's, Patricia Cornell's, and hundreds more. You can know more about them from my reading club, which is on Facebook, Book Buff the Reading Club. So I keep writing about authors and books that you can read. Number 2, if you are still not prepared for novels, start with graphic novels or comic books. They are definite page turners. I've spoken about comics and all even in the motivation to read. So read comics, Marvel, DC, Archie, Tintin, Asterix, Alan Moore's. Lots of mangas are there now in translation. Number 3, autobiographies and biographies of topics which interest you can also be a good start. You know, people that motivate you, learn more about them, read about them, statesmen, the Google story, and there are so many more subjects you can explore. Number 4, magazines is a good place to start with short articles. It not just gets you good news, perspective, history, but magazines can also be smaller reading material, and you can read more articles and get into the groove. Number 5, listen to audiobooks to keep the interest on. Maybe you are struggling with 2-3 pages, but maybe you can move on to podcasts and audiobooks, and that can keep your interest up. Number 6, small histories. You can pick up histories of different places, The Lonely Planet, or there are short histories for dummies, or philosophy for dummies. So subject matter books rather than novels or storybooks. So that probably gives you a sense of purpose and adds more onto the whole gamut of general knowledge that you can gain. So I hope you find this small video on what to read helpful, and stay tuned for more.